Welcome back to Pressure Crisp, everybody. Today we are unboxing, well, it's already out of the box. We're going to do a review on the Cosori, I think it's an 18-in-1. It's a Cosori 5-quart rice cooker, 18-in-1 functionality with touch control. It has a ceramic non-stick inner pot, stainless steel steam basket, easy to clean inner pot and accessories, 10-cup rice capacity, and it has a recipe book with 30+ chef-made recipes. So yeah, it is 1,000 watts, 5-quart. The weight is 9.3 pounds or 4.2 kilograms. I'm going to give you the dimensions. They're right on the box. So this is actually a sizable unit. The dimensions are 12.3 inches deep this way, 10 inches wide, and then 9.2 inches high. And for, I think, centimeters, it's 31.2, 26.9, and 23.4 centimeters. I think that's all that's written on the box. Yeah. Cool. So I'm super stoked to actually use this. It's a nice looking unit. I'll show you what came with it. The measuring cup here, and it came with this paddle with the rice fluffer, I guess you want to say. We're going to pop it open. It also came with this. It says prepare your kitchen and your appetite. Let's see what came in here. Oops. This is the recipe booklet that came with it. This is a test run because we're going to do the steam run and then we're going to make some rice. So this is setting up. And it's a cheat sheet as well. How to cook greens and stuff like that, like quinoa, brown rice, and everything else. And here's the manual. And I admit, I haven't even looked at the manual. Not gonna lie, not gonna lie. So this is the steamer basket. It's a stainless steel steamer basket that came with it, which is actually quite nice. So I can't wait to make some broccoli or something in here. I'm just gonna put it back here for now. And here's the ceramic pot that came with it. It actually says Cosori on it. I'm not even sure if I'm pronouncing that correct, but also has a measuring for like white rice, sushi rice in here, and brown rice. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. So I'll bring it up here. So there it is right there. And it is a non-stick bowl. It's heavy for the size, so it's thicker. It's thicker than what I'm used to. I'll leave it at that. It does have this top. I'm going to take these stickers off, but it says peel here, press the orange lever to remove the inner lid. So we're going to press it. There we go. So you pull up like that. And then this pops out. And let's see, this pops open. Oops. It also has a gasket around it. It's right here. So it goes in just like that. There it goes. It goes right back in. So I'm going to actually peel this off since we're here. Quick start guide. Before first use, wash the accessories, which I've already done. Replace parts. Put them back in. Add water to the steam. Water level mark. Press mode ×2 to select steam. And then press start. So we're actually going to do that. And then how to cook rice. It's a quick cheat sheet right here. 1, measure the rice. Wash the rice and add water. Press white rice. Press texture. I think there's 3 different textures I think you can choose from. And it says press start. So I'm just going to peel this off. This is a nice touch screen. I'm going to leave this right here so we can go over that. And it has the same heating elements as like other companies. But it's pretty big. Actually, it's pretty cool. All right, so I do have it plugged into a heavy-duty extension cord, just in case everybody sees that in the video. So I am going to do the steam test for you. We're going to fill it up to the steam. There you go. I'm going to go ahead and close the lid. And this is nice, too. That's how you open it. It's actually quite nice. Here, it says caution hot surface. So this is supposed to get hot. I'm going to leave that sticker there actually. So I'm going to turn it on, I think. There we go. So hit start and we're going to hit steam Actually, we're going to hit mode first. Steam. Hold on. Press mode time. Oh, press mode times 2. And then just press start. Okay, now I got it. Okay. Took me a little bit, but let's, so we're going to press start. So now it's pre-cooking. So the steam test, let's see here. It took about 10 minutes because I didn't start it right away. It took about 10 minutes for that to come up to steam. So that's neat. This will be done with the steam test in 10 minutes. Can you see in the back right here? That's where the steam comes out. So that's where it's going to be super hot. Careful of that. So I'm going to be back in 10 minutes and then we're going to make rice. This is going through the steam motion. I do want to bring up a couple cards here. You want to go ahead and register this. I haven't done it yet because I just opened it. I'm going to go ahead and use my camera function on my phone, bring this barcode up, and you're going to register. It does have a 2-year limited warranty. I've never made this before. I'm going to try the broccoli beef once I get all the ingredients. This is a vegan sloppy joe, but I think I can actually switch out the plant-based ground meat and put regular meat in there just to try that one out. Goodness gracious, where is it? I want to try all a bunch of these actually, good well. But where is the rice cooker jambalaya? Sounds really good. And paella sounds good. This is my favorite one I want to try. The Indian style chicken curry. Once I get all the ingredients for this, I'm definitely going to be making this in the Cosori. They got a poke bowl. Oh, and they got California rolls. I always wanted to see if I could make those. So I'm going to have to order some rice. And then these tuna mayo onigiri. I'm probably killing the name. You guys can fix my pronunciation. Thank you. And I don't have any brown rice in the house. I want to do brown rice. Oh, and this thing also does oatmeal. I'll show you once this is done. I'll show you the panel because it is pretty cool. So this is done. So I'm going to pop the top. All right. So be careful because it's steaming. Because that water's still boiling. So I'm going to take this out. Just use pot holders, towel. Please be careful doing this. I'm going to dump the pot back in. I'm going to wipe this off. Perfect. Yeah, this is a quite attractive unit. So like I said, I measured out 2 of these and I actually put it into the stainless steel bowl. And I'm actually going to use this as a strainer. If you have a strainer that you can use or like a chinois, go ahead and definitely do it. So I'm going to rinse this and then I'm going to come back over it and put it in here. I'm going to put in 2 cups of rice. So I'm just going to put this off to the side so I don't get it all wet. There we go. Try to get this all out of here. The recipe booklet calls for 1 1/8 cups of water per 1 cup of rice. So this is 2 cups of water. And I'm going to add another 1/4 cup. All right, so there's the 1/4. I'm going to go ahead and add like a teaspoon of salt. This is just plain old kosher salt that I'm adding. And we're going to close the lid. That closes so nice. I'm going to turn it on. But we're going with white rice, this is jasmine rice, by the way. We're going to choose long grain. The texture, it defaults to hard, which is weird. I'm going to hit regular. According to this, it's going to take 50 minutes, and we're just going to hit start. So we got 1 minute left on the timer. And this is white rice, well, jasmine rice. Texture is going to be regular. So we're going to see how this beeps and everything else. So it's 5 beeps. And I think it's on the keep warm function. So let's pop the top and see what we have. And this paddle, this actually feels good in the hand. It's a wider thing here and yeah, it's just nice. So you press down here. And watch out for the steam. Gonna fluff it up. All the water's gone. Looks good. All right. The main reason why I made this rice is because I'm going to actually make fried rice on my flat top that I'm going to do a review on. It's a Blackstone, Adventure Ready Blackstone. So I just wanted to test it out. Let's take a little bit of a taste test here. Yeah, it's perfect actually for fried rice. Wow. This is actually perfectly done. Didn't stick to the bottom or anything. Perfect. Thanks everybody for watching. Stay tuned for more videos with cooking appliances and yeah, just cooking in the kitchen. Everybody take care. Bye.